Welcome to Part 1 of the Charter Guest App tutorial, where you'll learn how to enter the information that will display on the iPads in each guest cabin. To begin, open a browser on your computer and log in to the charterguest.net site in the welcome email. Once logged in, open the yacht's profile page and enter the details in the respective fields. These info icons provide you with additional information about the related field. The Charter Guest App settings allows you to customize the iPad app homepage color and button. These details can be updated at any time. Once finished, click Save and open the Users page. The Users page lists all the crew members. To deactivate a crew member, click here, or to delete a crew member, click here. To edit a crew member, click this icon. To add a new user, click this button. In the Add Users page, first select which user type the crew member will be. The Charter Guest admin allows the crew member to log in and add or edit all information. Crew Bios Only does not allow the crew member to log in and only displays their name and crew bios on the iPad app. From the Position drop-down list, you can select an existing position or create a new one here. Add the crew member's name here. Upload their image here. Select their nationality from the list and assign a crew list order number here. If the new user is an admin, then the email, username, and password fields will display. For admin users, a welcome email will be sent with the URL and their login credentials. Once finished, click Submit and repeat this process to add all crew members. Next, click the Charter Guest App button to open this module. In the Specifications page, enter the details into these fields, along with the deck names and main locations on each deck. When finished, click Save. Open the Guest Information page and enter each section's title and description. To change the order, just drag and drop the rows. To add or delete a row, use these icons. Once finished, click Save and open the Deck Plans page. To help the guests move around the yacht easily, upload the yacht's GA here. When finished, click Save and open the Phone Directory page. From this page, open the Dialing In section and describe the procedure for dialing in here. Then add the phone types and phone numbers here. To change the order, just drag and drop the rows. To add or delete a row, use these icons. Once finished, expand the Dialing Out section. Here, you can add the phone types and the dialing out procedure. Once finished, expand the Internal Extension section. Here, you can explain the process for dialing another cabin or area on board. Then, add the phone locations and their extension here. To change the order, just drag and drop the rows. To add or delete a row, use these icons. When finished, click Save and open the Services and Water Toys page. In this page, you can add all the services and water toys that the yacht has to offer. Add the title and description here and drag and drop the image here. Depending on the season or guests, you can hide or show each row on the iPad app using this slider. To change the order, just drag and drop the rows. To add or delete a row, use these icons. When finished, click Save and open the Emergency Procedure page. In this page, you can add the type of emergency and the procedure to follow. To add an image, drag and drop it here. To change the order, just drag and drop the rows. To add or delete a row, use these icons. When finished, click Save and open the Crew Bios page. In this page, you can describe each crew member's skills and talents. And if you didn't upload the crew image in the Users page, you can drag and drop the image here. For rotational crew, you can simply hide or show the crew member on the iPad app using this slider. When finished, click Save. All changes will be automatically updated to all devices when any of the Save buttons are clicked. To install the Charter Guest app onto an iPad in the guest cabin, search Charter Guest in the App Store and download the app to the device. Open the welcome email that was sent to you so you have the token and login credentials on hand. When the app is finished loading, enter token here and tap Submit. The app is now connected to your yacht site, so you can now use the login credentials from the same welcome email to open the Charter Guest app. This connection process only needs to happen once for each device. The button glow color and the custom button settings can be changed from the yacht profile page in the web application. When you're finished adjusting these settings, click Save to update the changes to all the iPads. If you have any questions, please contact support@charterguest.com.